Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Dodoam 5-ton hydraulic heat press machine. Highlight features or overview summary are include: high efficiency 900-watt heat press machine with adjustable settings. Boost your production efficiency with this powerful 900-watt heat press machine, featuring dual high-quality aluminum heating plates and up to 5 tons of maximum pressure. Its constant temperature design heats quickly and maintains heat consistently, minimizing downtime and improving workflow. Built with a durable iron shell with anti-corrosion plastic spray finish and 0.19-inch thick polished aluminum plates, this machine ensures long-lasting, reliable performance. The adjustable temperature, 0 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and time settings, 0 to 999 seconds, managed through a clear LCD display, let you easily customize settings for various materials and applications. The plate distance can also be adjusted up to 1.96 inches using the lifting handle for added versatility. Safety features include high temperature resistant circuitry, overheat protection, overload protection, and short circuit protection to protect both users and equipment. Compact and portable, it measures 11.81 x 5.31 x 19.29 inches and includes a top-mounted carry handle, making it easy to transport to job sites or events. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe. Recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.